morning. Thank you, everybody. Can we please have a huge round of applause for all of you? Thank you so much. I've been welcomed in a lot of places before, but I can say this is the best welcome ever. So thank you to the students of Global Indian International School. And I must say you all are so talented and so beautiful inside out. I can't stop clapping for you, yeah? Come on. And that musical performance was brilliant. I loved listening to you guys, and you're so talented. I didn't know that Singapore is full of so much talent. Thank you for bringing me here, Shweta. And I don't know what to say, because I still feel I should be learning from you all, because you guys are so vibrant and so happy and so cheerful. And this is what we forget to do these days. We all need to smile a lot, right? You can talk with me. Come on. So that's what we need to do. Ultimately, life is about being happy. So you should do whatever makes you happy. So I sing because music and singing, it gives me a lot of happiness. And the girls who were dancing when I arrived, even dancing gives me a lot of happiness. So basically, this is a small gist of life, that you should always do whatever makes you happy, and whatever, in whichever way you can contribute to the society. If you can spread happiness, you should do that. So if your singing is spreading happiness, you should sing. If it's not giving happiness, don't sing. Do something else. If you are good at cooking, you should cook and, give it to others and make them smile. So it all comes around to this. I have many friends who are stuck in jobs, and they go to office and they're not very happy about it, and they'll be like, I get so tired in the office and I'm not enjoying my work. There's so much going on in the office and I'm so stressed. So anything that makes you, feel like this and you regret doing it, you should not do it. So I consider myself really lucky that I am in a profession that I really enjoy. I love singing, and it has become my profession. So I consider myself really blessed and really lucky. So even with you, studies are really very important to groom you and to learn about new things in life. You should listen to your parents, finish your studies, at least graduation. And early on, you should always, look for what you are good at and what you enjoy doing the most. If you like to draw, if you like to paint, if you like to sing, if you like to dance, you should always think about it as a career option, because nowadays things are changing, people's mindsets are changing. Like earlier, how, people were like, hum apne bacche ko, you understand Hindi? So that's a big plus for all of you. Come on. You gotta make Hindi more global now. जैसे पहले कहते थे कि बच्चे को डॉक्टर बनाएंगे या इंजीनियर बनाएंगे या आर्किटेक्ट बनाएंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ यही जॉब्स रहती हैं. You can always get into more creative jobs, more creative things. So all of you are singers here? No. What's your name? Tell me, what's your name? You don't have a name? Then how did they take you in the school without a name? Come on. Okay, Mr. No Name says he doesn't like singing. What do you like doing? Okay, I think he's a very quiet person. You must be a good observer then. Okay, how many of you are singers here? How many of you are into music? Wow. Okay. My next question is, how many of you are good singers? And how many of you are very good singers? And how many of you are told to keep quiet when you sing? These are the honest people here. So I'm here to talk about leadership, but I don't think I'm big enough or of that stature to talk about, how to lead a life or talk about leadership. But I can just share my experiences with you, and I can share my life story with you. And if that inspires you even 1%, I'll be more than happy. My father is here, sitting in the front row, and it's because of him that today I'm here talking to all of you and invited for a leadership event. So it's actually his hard work. My mom, my dad, my family, they all noticed my talent. And one day I was singing in my room. I was humming something. And my dad, he heard me humming that song. And he said, my nickname is Nikki. He said, Nikki, come here. Was that you singing that song? I said, Hanji, I was singing it. So he told me to sing it again. And I was in tune. And he used to play guitar and he used to sing when he was in school. So he could make out that I'm in sur and I have tal. So he asked me if I want to learn music. So that's the first thing he asked, because if you want to become excellent in a particular area, you need to learn that first. You need to be trained to stand out. So I said, yes, I want to learn. And then I started learning Indian classical music. And I also started learning Western classical music in school. And yes, school is one of the biggest influences in one's life. My teachers, they discovered my talent. And then I was called on to sing on the annual day or the Independence Day or any function in school. I used to be on the stage of the auditorium and singing all those songs. So that was a great learning experience, and singing on stage in school, in college, it gave me a lot of confidence. And since then, I decided, yes, I want to become a playback singer. So I was 5 years old when I started singing, and by the age of, say, 7, 8, I decided I want to sing for movies because I love watching movies, and I wanted to hear my voice on that big screen on the beautiful actresses. And it's another high when you listen to your own voice, with biggies, with big stars, and it's basically for the love of music. So yes, parents play a very important role. So if you love music and you want to do something, you should go to your parents and tell them that I really love music and I want to do this. I want to join classes. I want to learn it properly. So they'll be the one to guide you properly. Second point would be, you should know yourself. Sometimes we get carried away by a lot of compliments. Oh, you sing so well, you look so nice. But you should be your best judge. So you should know where you stand, and you should be able to tell that today I didn't sing well, today I didn't dance well, I could have improved. Even in studies, you should know how intelligent you are or how you can make yourself better or make yourself get better marks. So you should be your best judge, right? That's a very, yes. You don't like this point? It's always great to get compliments, but you should be your biggest critic. Okay, never stop learning. Learning can be in the form of formal training and going to a guru and learning from your teachers in school, but you should also listen to a lot of music. I'm talking specifically about music because I'm a singer. You can listen to your idols, people you look up to, and that is also a great form of learning when you listen to somebody and you listen to what they're saying and then you apply it in your own life. So that is very important. I hope I'm not boring you guys. Bore to nahi ho rahe aap? Is that a yes for getting bored? Where is Mr. No Name? Are you getting bored? Yes. Nowadays, okay, how many of you are addicted to iPads and iPhones? Or liars? Can't be so less. What about the singing girls? Are you not addicted to No. Not your parents' iPads and iPhones. Not at all. Okay. Calm down. Even I am addicted to my phone. I was making videos of the girls who were singing so beautifully. So yes, I asked this question because these gadgets are taking a lot of our time from our lives, and we forget doing important things because we're always hooked on to Facebook and Twitter. It is important to go on with the time and be updated to everything. But at the same time, it's more important to prioritize your things. I know you're too small to make priorities, but I'm sure you also have your own priorities. You need to make a list of things that should be given the most attention, and you should concentrate on doing that. Like your homework should be a priority. Do you get homework in Singapore? क्या फायदा हुआ? Not much. Not much, right? No homework. Lots. So the girls are saying you get lots of homework, boys are saying not much. Whom should I believe? मैं किसकी बात मानूं, बॉयज की कि गर्ल्स की? I heard boys. So do you give your homework to the girls? That's why they have a lot of homework to do. So yes, you should make your priorities, concentrate on your studies, and if you like doing something like singing, dancing, should go for classes. And in the end, if you get a little time, you can spend it on the gadgets. Spend more time with your family, with your parents, and learn from them. Go for outdoor activities. Travel a lot. Why am I saying this? Because you actually learn a lot when you travel, when you go to new places, when you meet new people. You never know what's in store for you, and you learn so many things. And you will realize this later when you grow up, that when you travel and you meet different kinds of people, you learn from their cultures, and you learn good habits. You learn what are bad habits, so you should not do that. So you learn so much when you go out of your house and travel and see the world. So make sure you do that and explore new places. Okay, am I talking too much? No? So basically it all comes down to do what you love, and you should be happy doing it. At any point of time, if you feel I'm not happy doing it, just stop and look for that thing that makes you happy.